I'm busy for 5 minutes. I will finish my work and I'll come back.
Okay, okay, fine.
Okay.
Assalamu alaikum, ma'am.
Walaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, actually, I'm driving, so like in 2 minutes, I'll reach my destination, ma'am.
Okay, okay, fine. Take your time.
Once I reach the destination, then I'll start. In the meantime, we can actually go ahead with any topic discussion that we have.
Okay, okay, fine.
In the meantime, I'll be there, ma'am. I'm in the meeting, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Okay, fine, no problem.
Like Friday will be very tough for me, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah,
like
I know.
work,
Yeah.
work will be more.
Yes, yes. I understand that you're going for Friday Salah. It takes time.
Yes, ma'am.
And returning back, khutbah, then offering Salah.
Yes.
There.
And every Friday I'll be having one meeting as well, like what we have done this.
Every Friday. Okay.
Every Friday.
Whole week.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Saturday off.
What we have? No, ma'am. My weekend is Sunday and Monday.
Okay, fine. Okay.
Like many people will not be available on Saturday and Sunday. No, ma'am. They will conduct meeting on Friday.
Okay, fine. So we'll recap the English communication class. What is the importance of communication skills? Top tips to improve your skill set. 3 elements of English communication: thinking in English, develop external environment by edutainment, finding the group of friends for communication. For best communicator, for the best communicator, you have to realize how important is to communicate effectively and confidently. It would have enabled me to fast track my profession and career growth. If you have realized, I realize one of the biggest challenge that many of them are facing is to be able to communicate clearly and confidently. Okay, I have witnessed a lot of people come out from the shell from never speaking in front of a video to saying, oh, that's easy. I can make 10 videos in a day speaking confidently. Screen share is there.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. It's going on.
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma'am. It's going.
It's going here. Lots of confusion here. 2 windows are there.
It's tips for best communicator. It's up.
No, actually, it's having 2 windows. It's showing me panel. Okay, now it's clear. Yes. So if you want, do you really think that good communicators are born or are they made? I'm sure you would say they are made, just like doctor, engineer, etc. You can become a good communicator and a speaker. It is a skill which can be learned. So tips, topics we have covered in this introduction, like introducing oneself, others, chief guest, yourself, common expression for greetings, congratulating, compliment, gratitude, apologizing, and welcome speech. Dialogue building, that is conversation, WH questions, writing stories from outline, letter writing, business, official and order, memo writing, notice, agenda, minutes, designing a resume, group discussion. Let us start with introduction. So these are the different, what is the intro, how it should be introduction. The way you introduce and present yourself provides people with the first best impression of you. Most people begin forming an opinion of you within 3 seconds, and these judgments can be difficult to change. So when we introduce ourselves to someone, we are saying we are interested in establishing some sort of ongoing rapport for mutual benefit. There are 3 parts to our introductions: the handshake, often but not always; introducing yourself; moving into conversation. The first impression can be the difference between starting a successful business relationship or finishing with a one-off meeting. It is a very easy to make a negative first impression on someone, often without knowing we have done so. It's much harder to make a positive impression. So you must put some effort into your introductions. Like first model is introducing oneself. Some of the common ways of introducing oneself are given below. Good morning, I am Rajesh from IIT Chennai. Excuse me, I am this from Hyderabad. Excuse me, my name is XYZ. I am from Chennai. I am the new student of this class. I am from Mumbai. Good morning, I am XYZ from Chennai. I have just joined this department of microbiology. So this is the way you have to introduce yourself. These are the different ways. Then how to introduce in the yourself in an interview. Important, always tell in brief about yourself. Better start with saying thanks for giving opportunity. Tell your name, from which place you belongs to, your educational credentials, your experience, if fresher, about your academic projects done, any achievements or extracurricular activities done, your ambitions, short time goals, long time goals, your strength and weakness, your hobbies, conclusion. Conclusion also needed, required there. Okay. Then how to introduce yourself in an interview. Good morning, sir or madam. First of all, I would like to thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself to you. My name is Ram Joshi. I am born and brought up in Bihar. I stay in Mumbai. I have completed my graduation in 2013 from Bihar University, specialized in computer science and engineering. My strength is that I am a hard worker. My weakness is that I can easily trust people, including me. There are 2 members. My father is working in a private sector and mother is a housewife. My hobbies are playing cricket and reading books. That's all about me. Thank you once again. Thank you for giving me opportunity for introducing myself. My name is Yashraj Sharad Moore and I am from Surat. JP Devar Institute Information Science and Technology in Diamond City, Surat. Coming to my hobbies, I like to read the books, getting update with new mediation. My short-term goal to get placed in well-reputed company. My strength to it every finest finish and on time. That's all about mine, sir or madam. Thank you, sir or madam. Communication activity for students in each team. 4 students in each team. The team will introduce themselves first individually. Karthik. I am Karthik. I am first year computer science student. I come from Sattur. Ravi. I am Ravi. I am first year literature student. I am a day scholar. Deena. I am Deena. I am first year economics student. I am a hostelite. I am Deva. I am a first year commerce student. I come from grandpa's home in Virudhanagar. The whole class should practice this pattern individually with 4 students in each team. They should tell about their name, their class, department, and place of living when introducing them to their team. It would be better if they start with a greeting like "Good morning, friends." Then introducing others. Some of the common ways of introducing others, someone else, or are the following. This is Mr. So and so. Meet my friend, brother, or sister XYZ. Do you know my father? Please meet Mr. Miss XYZ. May I introduce my teacher? Let me introduce. I would like to introduce my mother. I am sure you would like to meet me. To introduce others, the same team will be given practice first by introducing them and then others one by one. Then third model, introducing the chief guest who has come to honor the winners of the departmental competition to the audience. Fill the needed details of the guest for the underlined words, okay? Friends, let me introduce, or I am glad to introduce our chief guest of the evening, Mr. XYZ. As you all know, she is the first woman Indian Police Service IPS officer from Tamil Nadu. She is also a famous short story writer. Her short story, Ag- Agresigal Aluathilia, won the government of Tamil Nadu's Best Short Story Prize for 1988 and 89. She was awarded Sahitya Academy Award for Tamil for her novel Kalmaram in 2005. She has been promoted to Director General of Police and is currently the chairperson of the Uniformed Services Recruitment Board. We feel highly elated and privileged to welcome you, madam, to our program. Then, an introduction practice worksheet. Assume your friends Jay and Alan has come to your home and introduce them to your parents. Assume you are the representative of your class. Your department has arranged for UG Literary Association meet. Introduce the chief guest to the audience. Presume you are the compere of Youth Festival 2015 in your college. You are one among the group that welcomes the VIP who has come to deliver a lecture and distribute the prizes. Introduce yourself to the VIP. Then write 5 different ways of informal and formal greetings. Imagine that you and your classmates meet your professor on the way to your class. He or she calls you to give some instructions. How will you greet him or her? How will you take leave? So these are the etiquettes. Then about we are moving towards goal. So goal are logical goal setting, what need to do to set the logical goal settings. Execution with emotion, state or goal. State is something that change. Goal is something is beginning and end. Complete a marathon is a goal. Become a good runner is a state. Exercise, don't make the fingers closer. Don't take, it's very crucial. So towards goal, look forward. You are running from something, always look back. So outcomes of the goal is goal or state. So then don't be away from goal. Second direction of the goal is away or towards. Then third is smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time bound. This is to achieve the goal, we need to follow this rule. Smart, state what you will do, use action words. Specific, state what you will do, use action words. Measurable, provide a way to evaluate, use metrics or data targets. Achievable, within your scope, possible to accomplish or attainable. Relevant, makes sense within your job function. Makes sense within your job function, improves the business in some way. Time bound, state when you will get it done. Be specific on date or time frame. Then the third is the evidence of criterion, sensory, see, hear, feel, do. So this is the well thought outcome of the goal. If your outcomes of the goal, two ways: goal, state, direction, towards, away. SMART, specific, simple, measurable, attainable, relevant, time. Attainable, you can, or you can do it. Then evidence, you can get the evidence of doing that by seeing, hearing, feeling, and doing. Then impact of the goal, meaningful, responsible, purpose, all areas. And you can drop the goal because of the context or situation, and self initiated or maintained. You will take the initiative or you can maintain. Then consequences, you can start the goal or you can stop. Resources, you have or you required or you need. And here is the goal setting theory. Tie goals to work unit. Set specific goals. Ask supervisors to set their goals. Hold performance meetings, ongoing feedback and coaching. Ensure focus on relevant areas. Align reward systems with results. This is most important thing. Praise and reward. Align reward systems with results. Include employees in goal setting. So in a team, if you have this theory, goal setting theory, then you'll get results. If you are getting results, you have to give reward to them. Then only we can get the difference. We can see the difference in ourselves and in our team. So as a team leader, he has to set a goal for the team. As they are accomplishing the goal, the team leader has to reward the team members as the result is very positive. So get specific goals, work on that, make the actions and get the focus on that relevant areas and get the result. Then what are the different ways to improve your goal setting? Have a long-term goal, gives your motivation a boost. Have a short-term goal, helps you maintain focus. Make it challenging but realistic. Aim high so that you really push yourself. What's the why? Give a reason why your goal is important. Make it specific, not vague terms. Make it easier to monitor progress. Focus on skills. Focus on developing your skills, not just on the end outcome. Be flexible if the situation changes. Tweak your goals. Share your goals. If other people know about them, they may be able to help you. This is very important point. Very good point is this one. Share your goals. If any help, they help you out. Others. Ensure there is trust. People work harder on achieving a goal if they trust the person who has set them that goal. Consider potential obstacles. This allows you to come up with a plan, ensuring that you are fully prepared. Monitor progress. This helps you stay on the right track and to adjust as needed. Then the successful goal setting processes. First process, goal setting in successful schools created optimum challenge, maximum visibility. Foundation for success, optimum challenge, maximum visibility. Then the team processes for accelerating progress. If you want progress, first agreeing what progress looks like, setting goals and targets, deciding on the actions collaboratively, applying action and expertise, judging progress using evidence. Evidence, see, hear, do, touch. These are the evidence. Then you have to find the 25th hour to achieve the goal. So we have a pyramid: day-to-day activity, immediate goals, responsibilities, short-term goals, that is 6 to 12 months goals, long-term goals, 3 to 10 years, life or purpose. So here target, goals, steps to achieve goal. Practice this and I believe it will help you towards the success to which you aspire. Write down your goal, get your goal out of your imagination and to a piece of paper. Set a deadline, work on your mindset, develop your skill set, take the first step, continue to completion, reward yourself. This is about the goal. Once you achieve, reward yourself. Then goal accomplishment. This is the man is holding a flag as he has accomplished the goal. Then what will happen if you are going towards the goal and you have achieved the goal? What happens if you stop achieving the goal? And if you are not moving towards the goal, you are away from the goal, so what will happen? So this is about the graph of 4 quadrants, and this is the levels of living. Here this is the pyramid of living. Highest is life or purpose. What is your aim of your life? Long-term goals, short-term goals, responsibilities, immediate goals, day-to-day activity. Then productivity pyramid, plan daily, plan weekly, set goals, identify values. Plan daily, plan weekly, set goals, identify values. And this is, you have to build a habit. For building your habit, you have to set phone reminders. When reminded, look at time on phone, look screen, repeat for 21 days. Stop reminding to see if you look at your phone lock screen without a reminder. So if you do automatically, if you look at the phone at 11:11, if you did not look at the phone at 11:11, if you look at the phone, like congratulate yourself for forming a habit. If you are not look at the phone means set reminder for once again for 5 days. This is the flow chart of building a habit. If you got habituated for the things, don't take a reminder in your phone. Then WH questions: why, what, when, which, where, how, why. So English language as a second language, English as a second language. In this WH question activity is the reading, writing, listening and speaking. Pre-intermediate. In this free WH question activity, students complete questions with missing words and then use the questions to interview a partner. And WH questions is the interrogative sentences also question type, like who is standing there, who is your father, when did you go home, where is he living, why are you sad, which is your native place, whose back is this, whom do you want to meet, how old are you, how far is your house from here, how long were you waiting, how many brothers do you have, how much is the cost of 1 kg of apples, how much does 1 kg apples cost? So this is about the WH question. For WH questions and answer statements, specific or open-ended questions begin with the interrogatives such as who, what, when, where, why, which, whose, whom. Interrogatives means interview. In the interview you may be posed with the few questions, so it has question type, like questions, related sentences, that is the interrogative sentences. Who are you, from where you are, like that. Then here we have the some activity, we have practice, what, whose, which, why, when, where you have to place this. When is your birthday? uh, where do you exercise, where did you live, where do you live, like this. Then what interests you about this job, what are your goals for the future. These are the questions posed by the interviewer for an for any candidate. Okay, so these are the popular interview questions. You may get this type of questions in the interview. What interests you about this job? What are your goals for the future? How do you handle stress and pressure? What can you do for this company? So these are the popular interview questions. You have to practice this. What are your goals for the future? What can you do for this company? How do you handle stress and pressure? Then here we have grammar meets conversation, WH question. We have done this activity of WH question. And this is about the interview questions. Ask your classmate and your language assistant at least 10 questions like this. Where do you study? Which subject do you prefer? Where do you live? What sports do you do? What magazines do you read? What time do you usually get up? Can you play the guitar or another instrument? How tall are you? When is your birthday? What do you think of your teachers or students? What did you do last weekend? What are you going to do after class? What are you going to do this weekend? Then interview checklist, research the company, know who you are meeting with, practice answers to typical questions, bring copies of your resume, wear a professional yet appropriate outfit, know where you are going, arrive 15 minutes early, firm handshake. Research checklist. Here left side research checklist and here job. So research checklist is about the company, location, company culture, company mission, company reputation. Then the about the job, you have what are the qualification they are looking for, salary, start date, hours, role, job description, current employees in position. You should have this knowledge about the job, on what, like they are looking for which qualification for that specific job, and salary, what salary they are offering, and how start date. It will take after the interview they will take one week or 1 month. Then how many hours of working hours? Then what is the role, job profile, job description, then current employees in position. You should know about this. Then job interview preparation checklist, prepare resume, analyze job description, prepare questions, do company research, get output ready, brush up previous interview questions, prepare common interview questions, carry document. Then checklist 3 to 4 weeks before. This is the checklist 3 to 4 weeks before. Figure out what you are going to be asking. Figure out who you want to visit in the field. Develop your screener. Test the screener with one another. Announce need of participants. Consider right interview style. This is very much important. The ultimate pre-interview checklist. Resume or job description printouts, dress for success, practice, practice, and practice, know the company on the day of the interview, sleep well the previous night, do some morning exercise to energize yourself, deep breathing is miraculous, reach at least half an hour early, don't plan other big meetings that day. Dress for success, resume and job description printouts. Practice, practice. Prepare common interview questions, technical and behavioral. Write down your introduction and practice it. Do mirror practice. Do mock interviews with friends and mentors. Then how to ace an interview. Know your facts, know the job, make a good first impression, be confident but not cocky. Look the part, plan the day before, engage with the interviewers. Then how to ace programming interviews. How to fail interviews. Success factors. Success factors are internal state of mind, candidate likability, ability to code, personality. Interview intelligence. Remember that Your every word will have an impact on the interviewer. Learn to focus deeply on the interviewers, reading their behavior, reactions, and evaluating their internal state of mind. Interview preparation. You need to prepare emotionally, mentally, technically. Answering questions. During technical interviews, do not answer a question randomly. Instead, reveal your knowledge layer by layer, just like you are peeling layers of an onion, where each layer will reveal something new and important, starting from the most basic layers and moving towards deeper ones until it reaches to the core of the concept. Keys to interview success. Our mind is weaker in stressful situation. So what best equips us to cope with the stress of interview is neither more knowledge nor more intellect. What makes our mind stronger and more able to control our emotion is our preparation, internal discipline, and toughness. So this is most important things we need to take care for the keys to interview success. So your confidence, your preparation, and your internal discipline, your toughness, these are the factors. Then top 10 job interview questions. You should have experience, communication, education, and skills. So interview questions that you should be aware, ready for. Okay, you should be ready for this type of questions. 10 common interview questions and answers. Tell me about yourself. Tell about a difficult situation you were faced and how you dealt with it. Tell me about a time when you were confronted with an unpleasant customer and how you dealt with it. The next is, what do you know about the company? What is your greatest achievement? Why should we offer you a job? What are your strengths? What are your weaknesses? Then why are you looking for a job change? Thanks to previous organization, explain what you learned from past job experience, share your reason for job change, relate to career goals. Example, I am thankful to my previous organization because I have learned more things from there. I have learned a lot of things from there. According to me, changes are necessary for everyone to enhance your skills, knowledge, and for personal growth and financial growth. Your organization is the good platform where I can learn more. Then here we have job interview. Why did you leave your previous job? So they may ask for the experienced candidates. So you have to answer in this way. I have learned a lot from my current role, but now I am looking for a new change to broaden my horizons and to gain a new skill set, all of which I see the potential for in this job. I am looking forward to better opportunity to grow in job wise and financial wise. I want to learn more things where I am working. I am looking for a job where I can grow with the company. I am looking for a job that suits my qualifications. I was laid off or made redundant because the company relocated or downsized or needed to cut costs. Then what are your weaknesses? So these are the weaknesses you can say in the interview, like straightforward, impatient, sensitive, more talkative, trust people very quickly. I cannot say no when someone asks for help, take decisions very quickly, gets nervous when talk to strangers. To speak lie is difficult for me. I am a bit lazy about which I am not interested. For example, I cannot say no when someone asks for help, and I am a bit lazy about which I am not interested. Then what are your strengths? Adaptability, hardworking, honest, flexibility, optimistic, fast decision making, persistence, self motivated. For example, I am honest, self-motivated and a hardworking girl with positive attitude towards my career and my life. Then here WH question speaking cards like on food, hobby, friends for to improve your communication skills. You can practice like this for WH question speaking cards. You can use this speaking cards. You can answer this one by one using these speaking cards. So like this, you can practice for communication skill to improve your communication skill. Who is a person? What is a thing or an action? When is the time? Where is the place? How is the way? Something is or the way. Fifth happens. Why is the reason? So here formal and informal greetings. For formal greetings, hello, how are you? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Informal, hi, hey, what's up? How the day? How are ya? What's new? Then here some of the common expressions of greetings. Hi Mega, how are you? Hi, how do you do? Hello Ram, nice to meet you again. Hello Ram, nice to meet you after so long. How very nice to see you again. Good morning, afternoon, evening. Hi, hello everybody. Good morning everybody. How are you getting on? How is life? What's the latest? What's up? I hope you are keeping well. I hope all goes well with you. So this is about the formal things. And here is the communication activity, greeting and taking leave, group work. So this is the model 1 of informal talk. This is the informal talk between friends. And third model, we have two models more, conversation between two colleagues. And here formal between two persons. The next is about the congratulation message, congratulation or complimenting. So here we have common expressions to congratulate others. Congratulations, congrats, my hearty congratulations, congrats on. It was nice to hear that you have got success in. What a wonderful, superb performance. Hearty congrats. Let me congratulate you on. I would like to congratulate you on. On this achievement, we wish. So here is the message on congratulations on this achievement. We wish you hearty congratulations. May your life always shower you with such great success and happiness. Well done. Then here, for any expression, response should be there. So how you are going to respond to the message expression? So thank you. Here is the response to the thanks, a nice dress. Thank you. You look smart. You are looking very smart. Oh, thanks. You have to respond like this. Okay. Conversation model. Models on congrats. So first model, two models we have. For second model, the principal congratulating a student for being one among the winners. Principal, Divya, I am happy to congratulate you for bagging the state level rank in National Talent Search Examination. Divya, thank you, madam. Principal, you have brought glory to your college. My heartiest congratulations. Divya, thank you very much, madam. Your constant encouragement helps me a lot.
लोन लेना आपको, लोन होना आपको, वो 10 से 1 के बीच आना पड़ता आपको, बैंक बंद हो गया अभी.
Next, work complimenting. Congratulate your boss on his promotion. Congratulate your friend on winning the best student award. So this is then attitude of gratitude.
This
क्या बोले?
looks like someone has.
Okay, this is
Ma'am,
about
this link. This is for communication skills. No, maybe some.
Still time is there, no? Yes, time is there, no? Still our AWS class will going to start.
1 second, ma'am. Checking the time.
Yes, 1:37, 3:37.
In link 3:30 is the AWS class there, ma'am. But what happened? Like first session is English, no communication skills.
Yeah.
Someone confused and they have like in AWS they went and again they came to English communication skills. Looks like that.
Hello,
Yeah.
Assalamualaikum. Can you hear me, please?
Yes.
Ma'am, can you continue from tomorrow? Actually, now we have second season AWS classes. Sir is waiting.
Okay, fine. Okay. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Huh.
Okay, thank you for today's class. Tomorrow we'll have Saturday.
Yeah, Saturday. We will
Okay,
see. We have a program, yeah, classes or not. We will inform inshallah in WhatsApp group.
Okay, fine. Okay, okay.